Google Sites has this great feature that allows you to embed other sites into Google Sites. So I'm going to double click to get my tool wheel, and I'm going to go over to the embed. Now I can embed by a URL, so I can put a specific URL in here as long as it's okay for me to embed that website, or I can use an embed code. So I'm going to use an embed code because this is going to be a FigJam board that I'm going to put in here. So it's going to load up my FigJam board. It's loading it up now. There it is. All right, so my FigJam is now embedded in here, and you can see, I'm going to go ahead and click on the preview so we can see it in real time here. Let it load again, and I have different pages for this FigJam, so I can actually click on the pages so we can see all of my FigJam board, which is amazing that I'm able to do that. All I had to do was get the embed code to do this. So right here, you'll see sea jellies, you'll see meanfish, and I have all of my different pages within that FigJam that are here embedded in my Google site. Wow. One more great feature. Thanks for watching, and if you hit that subscribe button, you'll get more videos about Google.